Take it to the house. We got him.
Right there, you're gonna be on YouTube. Say State Police got me, YouTube.
State Police got me. Now I'm on When Pigs Fly 420.
Thank you.
Central, we're in pursuit of that stolen vehicle southbound on Pulaski from 19th Street. Yeah, male with a white beard. Southbound Pulaski at 23rd. Speeds are 60, no traffic. Eastbound Roosevelt, gonna be moderate traffic. Speeds right now are 30. Passing Chester on Roosevelt, speeds are 65, no traffic. Roosevelt passing Arch, speeds are 70, moderate traffic. Black male, bald head, white beard.
Team 47, all we have to take from State Police is direct on it for the area. Street at Roosevelt.
Passing Main on Roosevelt, he's on the wrong side of the road. Stand by. I'm trying to get around traffic. He's still eastbound. Roosevelt coming up to I-30. Roosevelt at I-30, still eastbound. It'll be moderate traffic.
Henry, I'm catching up to you guys. I'll call it once I get up to you.
Alright, I'm trying to catch up to him. I'm still eastbound Roosevelt coming up to Springer. Still eastbound towards the airport. Speeds are 85, light traffic. Still eastbound Roosevelt, light traffic. Speeds 105.
Traffic here at Roosevelt Airport. Henry, are you two, man?
Yeah, I'll call it. I'm fine. We're going to be approaching Bond Street. Speeds 90. Traffic yielding, very light traffic. Roosevelt passing Bond. Speeds are 60, light traffic. Stand by. Riley, go ahead and call it.
Did you say you need me to call it?
Yeah, go ahead and call it.
Southbound operation bike speeds 85 miles an hour, light traffic, approaching College Station. Can we notify the county, please? Camping Florida right here at College Station, still southbound. Touchdown on 3M Road. Speed 31 miles an hour, light traffic. Continuing west on 3M Road. Gary 42, go run code so you can get up there to canine assistance and you can be the third in the pursuit. Yes, it will sound funny. Keep this up there. Continue on 3M Road, passing this industrial park. 23 miles an hour, light traffic. Continue on 3M. 65 miles an hour, no traffic. Hey, Ryan, state police is up on the I-30. They're coming up on the school. Okay, we're back on Springer, heading towards Cradle Mountain area, 88 miles an hour, light traffic. Guys, get back towards Roosevelt. He's making a loop. Get somebody in a Roosevelt with some spikes. Back north on Springer, just past Baltimore, 88 miles an hour, light traffic, traffic shielding. 440 eastbound, 82 miles an hour, light traffic. Pass for Troop 8.
Yeah, get this trooper up here as soon as we can. We're getting on 440. If he's in this Nissan Coupe, he's probably going to end up burning us when he gets on straightaway.
Trooper's getting out with 3630 split. Keep just getting out out of 46 eastbound, speeds 115, light traffic, clear yielding. One of the outside lane might be taking a exit here. 1022 back to the inside lane, 111 miles an hour, medium traffic. Passing Bankhead, still eastbound, Interstate 440, medium traffic, speeds 107 miles an hour.
Hey, Central, patch ASP in so we can communicate with them, please.
They should be patched in. A little bit heavier traffic, speeds are 93 miles an hour. Still eastbound, Interstate 440.
Little Rock, Young 5-2 to ASP, what's your 20?
He's on my 6, I see him, he's coming in hot.
Okay, alright. Alright, yeah, we'll move over as soon as you get up here, buddy. ASP's fixing to pit him, so when we pit him, gunpoint, out, gunpoint, don't hesitate. Get out, and I want to start seeing hands.
View radio silence after their TBI, we're doing a high-risk takedown.
Hey, Riley, you and Tatum, get him at gunpoint, I'll work the radio. Take it, push down pike.
Looks like we're going to be going east on first day back towards the city.
Getting back on 440 east, getting back on 440.
Hey, he's 440 eastbound, get back on the ramp. Trooper's trying to get around Stephen, let's take it.
Yeah, alright, I'm number 2 now, Central. Get ready. TBI.
Taking him in the
Car's clear. Cuff him. Get you on your face. Get your hand out from underneath you.
What real smart was it, buddy?
10-15 one time, clear the net.
I'd like to introduce you to my police.
Okay, I'm not resisting, man. Hold on, my leg, please.
What's wrong with your leg, buddy?
It's just hung up in the bonds.
Okay. We'll get you out the briars, bud.
Sir, put your foot on me, man. Step up.
King Target, I'm 10-4. What's your ending location?
Sarge, we're just west of the bridge. Off the,
Let's go.
reckon it'll be the east side of the interstate, southeast side of the interstate.
Hey, you got yourself here. Let's get yourself out.
Oh, what's your exit?
No, that was a pretty good move. I'm trying to get away from that. Give me 30 seconds. Count 30, please. Please, sir. Come on. We ain't got 30 seconds. Let's go. Walk up this hill, man. I know. Come on. Ooh. What was that?
Yeah, it's an amigo.
What was you thinking? What you mean? What was you thinking?
Well, you looked me right in my eyes.
I looked you in the eye?
And then took off. Did you not?
No, I did not. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You saw us.
Yeah, I saw y'all. Yeah, why you take off?
Can I tell you when they ain't listening?
Yeah, come on, you can tell me right now.
No.
Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. You didn't really want to beat me up, don't you, man?
No, not at all. I want you to sit down and act like an adult.
Sit down. Sit down. Yes, sir.
Keep your feet in, man.
There you go. Y'all saw him kill him? Yeah. Man, we was first. We was first on it.
Hey. Good job.
Nah.
Everybody's body heroes. That's why I just say good job and give you a focus bump. Yeah, if you don't mind, please. I'm just trying to keep them off of you for a second. No, you're good. Actually, everything's on the shoulder, so I'm just trying to keep the trash from another crash. Appreciate it. Appreciate you, bro. Like, hey, looking for this car. And then another guy stopped at the Broadway and told me about it. And so I was trying to listen to him. And then they sent me to a crash right as y'all requested it. And we have people making traffic stops while y'all were trying to request this. And I was like,
It was a mess.
well, like, get off the radio. We're trying to get this car.
I'm like trying to get my hand held out.
That's my buddy Bird. Told you about to say Trust Tatum.
How are you, man?
What's up, man?
He's using his FCO period.
Nice to meet you, sir. I thought they said he's coming back.
He was at 19th of Pulaski with the door open. He looked back at me and he smiled. And I said, "Get out of that car."
Yeah, I heard that they were on Springer going back to Roosevelt, and I was about to take the Springer exit, even though it shut down. I was going to slow roll it. Download the. Well, I was taking Roosevelt, but I heard they were going back to Roosevelt, and then I was like, well, I'm out of it now. We weren't patched yet, so I didn't know where y'all were.
We got another stolen vehicle in University right now. So.
Are you serious? But anyways, I heard y'all getting on 440, and I was like, I'm here. And then I heard Garrison was like, I'm at Bankhead, and I put out where y'all were, and I was like, dang, he's out to get him. He stole his daughter's car.
Hey, will you help him search that police car?
Help you go through some of this. Yeah. Were you driving? Huh? Were you driving? Nah. Henry was? Yeah, he was driving. I was just ready for that action when I got out. Fun, isn't it?
time to go. See you next time. Oh, you're still here. Well, hope you enjoyed it.